Founded in 1983, the CTT Group's objective is to meet the needs of the textile industry by striving for excellence in our partnerships. We are a nonprofit technology transfer center specialized in technical textiles, advanced textile-based materials, and geosynthetic products. Our team of over 50 multidisciplinary experts provides support in the development of both prototypes and products, as well as in the performance metrics of their respective specific markets. We concentrate on your needs and provide you with the essential technical advice to achieve your goals. CTT Group has the relevant accreditations and partnerships you need to meet your challenges. We offer an independent and confidential performance assessment that meets the highest standards in the market, giving you access to international recognition. CTT Group, at the heart of the matter.